I'll guide you through buying Bitcoin on Binance using the latest Lite versus Pro interface and the new P2P safety protocols to ensure your funds stay secure. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. To begin, open the Binance app and immediately toggle between Lite and Pro modes by tapping your profile icon, choosing Lite for a simple interface or Pro to access advanced trading tools. Complete the identity verification or KYC process by uploading a government-issued ID and performing a facial recognition scan to unlock higher purchase limits and P2P trading. For the fastest possible transaction, navigate to the Buy Crypto section and choose the direct buy method if you want to use Apple Pay, Google Pay, or a credit card. Check the real-time quote carefully, as card purchases typically incur a convenience fee of around 2%, and the price is only guaranteed for 60 seconds before it refreshes. If you prefer to buy Bitcoin with zero platform fees by trading directly with other verified users via local bank transfer, select the P2P marketplace in Pro mode. To ensure you are dealing with a reputable and fast merchant, filter your P2P sellers by looking for the yellow checkmark and a completion rate above 95%. Never click the transferred button, which notifies the seller, until you have actually sent the money from your banking app, as doing so prematurely can lead to account flags or disputes. Keep all communication strictly within Binance Chat, and never move to third-party apps like WhatsApp, which ensures your transaction is protected by Binance's escrow service. Review your spot wallet after the purchase to confirm your Bitcoin has arrived. Then consider moving larger amounts to a hardware wallet for long-term cold storage. To stay compliant with tax reporting regulations and avoid the new non-compliance penalties, download your transaction history using the Binance Tax tool every year. Enable Binance Authenticator or a hardware passkey in your security settings, as these are far more secure than traditional SMS codes against modern phishing attacks. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.